Look at this stuff flow now. Just look at this. All this debris. Hey guys, welcome back. We've been getting crazy amounts of rain here in Michigan. So Hurricane Beryl came through, and now it's like a tropical depression. And guys, we are at like 6+ inches of rain. Everything is flooded. I'm back here for the first time and just wanted to check it out with you, but like the pond's just super overflowing. It's going through the spillway, which is great. You know, it's not gonna blow out the berm, but look at this. I mean, there's just tons of water getting out of here. So this is the lowest area, and it's just over capacity. So it's just gonna keep going over this spillway and back into this drainage ditch. So we're gonna walk it, see what it looks like. Man, I bet it's gonna be crazy. So let's go. So if you remember from a previous video way back, I was doing some work here to like drain all this water from the pond. And it's in here. This is probably like 4 feet deep. I got my waders on, but man, I'm not gonna even try to attempt that. So we'll try to start over here. But guys, so much water everywhere. I mean, this is just completely flooded. I'm like probably gonna get West Nile if I go in there. So let's try to cut through here. I mean, this stuff is just, this is probably like a foot deep of water. You can see where some high areas are, but like, look at this. Hopefully you guys can hear just all the rain coming down too. I mean, this is just intense. So it started like last night and it just hasn't stopped. We're in like a flood watch or flood warning right now. Man, this was all dry, guys, totally dry like a week ago. Nothing. And look at this. It looks like a river's running through here. So this is where I like cleared everything out, and it's doing great, but like all the leaves, everything, just debris, it's just been washed on out of here. Yeah, it's probably a foot deep still. Think of how many millions of gallons of water this is. And there's the drainage ditch is over there. Like, I don't know, probably 100, 150 yards that way. We'll keep walking it, but I bet that water's just pouring out. All right, we're gonna try to get in here. I'm probably, man, I'm up to my knees right now almost. So much water. And I'm glad I made an area for this all to drain, because, man, if I didn't, I mean, look, you can just see the water just flowing right through here. And then it goes right into here where I cleared everything out. Yeah, it's getting a little bit higher here. It was pretty deep back in there. Look at this though, you can just see the sticks moving. So much current. Just try to clean some of this stuff up while we're here so it doesn't clog later. Yeah, we got one right here. Look at this, just a whole thing of bark moving. Yeah, so I'm almost up to my knees here. And look, you can just see all of this just moving. Oh, we got another blockage up here. Look at this stuff flow now. Just look at this. All this debris. Guys, this is wild for Michigan in July. I mean, this feels like we're on a tropical island in freaking Michigan. Look at this, just moving. Should be like a nice little lazy river. Not really lazy, it'd be all fast and crazy. Probably get bit by 1,000 mosquitoes too. All right, let's go check down here. Got a little bit here. Oh yeah, we're picking up some speed here. Look at this. Unreal. Guys, this was all dry last week. Oh man. Look at this. Oh, I gotta get out of here. Look at this. Wow. So there was a big tree right here I cut out. I'm glad I did, because everything was just getting backed up here last year into there. So this stuff's just flowing on through, but look at this. Man. Here, clear this out. I mean, look at this, guys. There's just so, I mean, like I'm trying to, like the force is just pushing me in. Here, we'll go out here. Man, look at all this, and it's just all going down the drainage ditch. Oh man, I bet this is just millions of gallons. Just tons. Everything from the pond, everything from the low area over there, just coming all right through here. Man, this is crazy. Well guys, I wanted to show you, this is way more water than I thought. I mean, it's one thing when you hear how many inches of rain we get, but to look at it in the lowest part of the property, just unbelievable. Can you hear that? Pretty insane. All right, guys. Well, hey, I'll let you know how it goes. I mean, I feel good knowing that all the water is getting out of here instead of being like backed up over there and just flooding everywhere. But I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. And man, there's rain all over everything. Let's see if I can clean this off. I think it's time to pack it up and head inside. Well, hey, thanks for watching. I'll catch you later. See ya.